question! Yes! Hey guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing the Boxy charm unboxing. So in my last Boxy charms, I usually have a full face of makeup on and I'm usually already ready to film videos, and I don't usually try out the products in my unboxings. But for today's video, I know that there is a palette coming and I'm really interested to see how the palette works and what it's like. So I have no makeup on my face right now, so I don't know what's coming in this box other than the palette. So I'm interested to see what the products are, and then I will just do my makeup as if I don't get any products that I already have that I need for my makeup routine. I will do that off camera and then I'll come back and we'll play with the products. So let's just crack into this box. So as usual, this is what the box looks like when you open it. You get your card first and then a bunch of foam, and then that's what it looks like. So the first thing I see is the little card. So it tells you all of the products on it and how much they retail for. So I'm gonna get my phone out now so that we can tally up the products as we go. So this is what the box looks like, and I'm very excited to try out some of these products. So the first thing that I see is this big bottle of something. So this is the brand Iconic London, and it is leaking, so that's kind of annoying. I just got glitter all over my hands. So this is the brand Iconic London, and it is this glitter spray. As you can see, all the glitter inside it. So it says, directions: shake well for even glow, gently spray 12 inches away from your face with eyes closed, applying with smooth mist before you moisturize and use to finish makeup. So if you want to be covered in glitter, this lid doesn't want to stay on, so we're just going to take it off. So if you want to be covered in glitter, this is probably a product for you. So it says to apply before applying your moisturizer. So let's give it a go. So this retails for $29. Pretty expensive. So I got nothing on my face right now, no primer, no moisturizer, nothing, so let's just see what it's like. So it smells like old lady perfume. It literally smells like your grandma, or if you have a really old aunt, this is exactly what it would smell like. Not really seeing any of the glitter, so that's kind of good. I didn't want to be covered in that much glitter today anyway, but it seems like it's a refreshing mist. I'm gonna spray a little bit more. Seems really refreshing. I'm guessing it's like a setting spray, so it says Prep, Set, Glow. So that's pretty cool. So it looks like this, and it is like a rose gold color, and you get 120 milliliters, so 4.22 of a fluid ounce. So looks pretty decent. So that retails again for $29. Starting off pretty decent. So the next thing that I see in here is a really obnoxiously long eyeliner. So this is another black liner. We recently got a black liner in one of our boxes, so don't really need another one. The last one we got was I have it right here actually. This is the I Do liquid eyeliner. So I have this one already and now I'm getting another one, and this is just like obnoxiously long. Like they could have stopped it like there and I would have been happy. This is just gonna stick really goofy out of all of my cups and stuff. So this is the Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. So I think I've used this brand before and I liked it. I just think that, again, this is really obnoxiously long. So it is the color black, which is nice because I love black liners. As for color liners, I'm not a big fan when we get them in the Boxy charms and the boxes and stuff. So this retails for $7. So it's just a black liner, nothing fancy, nothing extraordinary. So I'll put it to the side for now. And let's tally up. So we are at $36. So the next thing that I see in here is the brand Mellow. So we've gotten stuff from this brand before. So this is a tinted brow gel. So curious to see what color they sent me, because my hair is red now and I'm probably not going to use this today because I am going to be using red tint. So this is Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. Achieve effortless tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel. A lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. So this is the color dark brown. I don't have dark brown hair. I have blonde hair, and right now I have red hair. So this isn't going to be something that I'm going to use. I'm probably going to give this away to one of my friends that actually has this color eyebrows. So this retails for $16. This is why I'm not really a big fan of getting items like this in BoxyCharm, because everybody has different color hair tones, different color everything. It's just too hard to send out products like this. If you were to send out a concealer or a foundation, you would probably never get everybody being happy, because everybody has different undertones, everybody has different skin tones, everybody changes their hair every month, constantly. So something like this isn't really a product that I like to send. So again, that retails for $16, and that's a big miss for me. So the next thing that I see in here is the Hank and Henry again. This is another thing we got. This is a Slick With It Mascara Duo. So this retails for $19, and I'm getting tired of these brands sending out this security packaging on them. Like, we don't need to waste this much more plastic. Slick With It Mascara will have you feeling like you have a major clout. This vegan mascara is not only waterproof, but it does not flake or transfer. So it is a black mascara, it looks like that. And then this side looks like that. That is super weird. Look how tiny that wand is. Okay. The Duo Wand Applicator is designed to work with our formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. That is really gimmicky, and I do not need it. So I'm gonna give this away. Again, the only thing that I think I'm gonna be trying out today is going to be, in this entire box, is going to be that spray that I just used and the palette. Everything else is extremely gimmicky and not necessary. I don't need it. Didn't need another eyeliner. I don't need another mascara, because they've sent out so many mascaras in the last month, or a couple months. I haven't even gotten through this one yet. Like, I don't need another mascara, so I'm gonna give this away. The brow gel definitely isn't my color, and I didn't need another pencil eyeliner. So this retailed for $19 for that mascara. That is really overpriced, and I don't need it. So, gonna add that in. So we're at $71 so far for these 4 products, and so far this isn't my favorite box in the last couple of months. I've definitely gotten boxes from BoxyCharm that I have liked a lot more, and this just isn't really one of them. So hopefully we get a saving grace by this palette. So the last thing that's in the box is a palette. So this is by the brand Dose of Colors. So this retails for $32. I don't think I have any eyeshadows by this brand. I have a lipstick by this brand, but I don't have any eyeshadows. So I'm very interested to see how these shadows work. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. It's like a gold packaging, and then when I open it up, this is the color scheme that I got. So there is multiple ones that go around in different boxes. There was one that I was really hoping that I was getting. It was like a deep purples and reds and stuff. So this is what I got. So these ones are very nude fall colors, and again, this isn't a makeup palette I need. So I don't even know if I'm gonna do a look with this one. Honestly, I think I'm gonna give this away, because I don't need this. I already have all of these exact colors in my makeup kit, like my makeup already. I have like 17, 20 palettes that I have to get through and use, and I don't need another one that is boring like this. This is incredibly boring to me, and I don't need it. So I am going to put all of the products that I didn't use and don't want away and give them away to some of my friends, but that retails for $32. I think that it is a really nice palette. It's just colors that I don't need, and they're too boring, and I'm never gonna use them. So I'm gonna give them away. So this entire box was incredibly disappointing. The only thing that I'm going to keep is the eyeliner, because it's just another black eyeliner. I'll probably get some use out of it somewhere in my life. And I'm gonna keep the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow. Everything else I'm gonna give away, because it's not necessary to me. I don't need them. It's just gonna clutter up more of my space, and it's just products that are very unnecessary and pointless. So this is kind of a negative video. I'm sorry about that, guys, but it's definitely just not a box that I was really impressed with. So the total that I spent on this box was $36, and the total that I came up with all of the products is $103. So let's minus 36, so it's still a total of a $67 discount, I guess. So I got $103 worth of products and I only spent $36, so $67 I basically got for free, so that's really cool. That's the problem with some of these subscription boxes though, is they're sending out makeup every single month and it's for you to try new makeup and try new things. But the problem that I'm coming across with BoxyCharm is they seem to be sending the exact same brands out every single month and I'm just getting bored with them. I don't need more of Mellow, I don't need more Hank and Henry, I don't need more just of the same brands like Tarte and stuff that they keep sending over and over and over, and there just seems like really boring colors and really boring things that I just don't need. So I'm getting a little bit frustrated with BoxyCharm. I'm hoping next month is going to be a little bit better. This month was definitely very disappointing for me. So I am going to go film a different video because I needed to put makeup on and this isn't a palette that I wanted to use. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!